This is the new LD24 from Loveshaw. What we wanted to do with this machine is answer a need in the marketplace for a fully automatic machine with a very small footprint. What we've come up with is a very simple machine, safely guarded, and just that, a small footprint. Utilizes all our tape heads of both the top and bottom Loveshaw tape heads. They come with a 3-year unlimited cycle warranty. The machine itself has a 2-year on all the motors and gear reducers and 1-year bumper to bumper. We've designed the machine to set up easily for different box sizes. There's 3 different changeover points. They can be controlled from either side of the machine, and they're all marked and scaled for easy changeover. The LD24 utilizes an Allen Bradley control panel. This gives us the ability with several dry contacts to tie in other places in the automated line. We can shut this machine down, start it up, do what we need to do to make sure it integrates well into a full-on packaging line. How we achieve the small footprint, we're utilizing a couple different things. We're going to plow the front miner on the box, then we're going to pneumatically tuck the back miners as it's going through the process. Where it changes there from some of our competitors, we're not going to use folding bars to fold down the majors. A lot of boxes nowadays are overstuffed. We use full positive force on both sides to push down the flaps to keep a nice solid box. So what you're going to see is running through now. What we want to utilize here is make sure that we can get the box squarely through the machine, process it quickly, and tape it. Obviously, we want a square box, but we also want to do it and we want to be safe. You'll notice the machine is guarded all the way around, and then we have these flap tuckers. You're going to watch them close the back miner of the box, but we also have soft contact, so they're not a pinch point. As that releases, I can put my hand on the machine without any kind of injury to me because it's actually coming back with a smooth touch. Just to show you how the tilt back feature works, we never have to take the tape head out of the machine. And as on all Loveshaw tape heads, we have the easy thread cartridge, feeds through and cuts, and you can drop the head right back in the machine and you're back and running. 2 or 3-inch versatility. This machine comes with the ability to swap back and forth. You can buy it with 2, later on down the road, you don't need to purchase a new machine. We can take 2-inch tape heads out and put 3-inch tape heads in without any kind of tool changeover.